share that link in the group, in that WhatsApp group also, so we can also access, because I have searched in Play Store. I have not got this software.
Okay. Now see, beta, I'm just sharing my screen first. Is everyone able to see screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a software. This is Icon rapid typing software. So this type of software you can install from Google easily. When you will write rapid typing software free, the download, then easily you can download it. See this icon? This icon you will get. Okay. And after download it, you will get this type of screen. First home screen. Okay. Now see how to use this software. First we will go continuously reading what is a touch typing. Everyone is aware, know about what is a touch typing. Yes, anyone
Yes,
of you? Tell me what is touch typing. Without, बताओ बेटा, touch typing.
Ma'am, without using sense of sight.
Okay. Anyone else? So you are placing your hands on a keyboard without seeing on the keyboard. You are just uh, by feeling the keys and by feeling the touch, you are just pressing the keys without seeing on the keyboard. That is called a touch typing. There are many methods to learn, but you should be experienced in that touch typing, that you are that time you are able to do easily typing. So how you can learn typing? There are many software to learn typing. Among that, rapid typing software is one. We will use here rapid typing software. Through that, we will learn how to type. Okay. So you have to put your finger on a home row key, as we discussed in previous chapter. What is a home row key? ASDF JKL semicolon. This is a home row key where you will put your finger at the starting. Is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see on screen there is a keyboard and you can see your fingers. Okay, which finger is on which key? Everyone is able to see? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you will press the letters with keys, okay, you can see that particular finger will highlight which letter you have to press with which finger. Okay. Now see benefits of touch typing. What are the benefits? Any one of you? Yes, beta. What are the benefits?
Ma'am, it reduces time.
Yes, very good. Reduce the time.
and it will be stable
And
and we will get to know which key we are pressing.
Very good. So speed will
and
increase
ma'am,
by.
focus.
Very good. Okay, so
Ma'am, we
these are
don't
the
have to see which key we have to press. We can
okay.
feel it all.
Yeah, so it's increase your speed also. Okay, so your accuracy. If you have learned, you learned typing, so definitely your accuracy will increase. Time you will get, you will take less time to typing. Focus. So you have a need to focus on your fingers. If you learn how to type, you have a need to focus you where you are putting your finger. Okay, it's clear, everyone. These are the benefits of
Yes,
touch
ma'am.
typing. Now, requirements of touch typing. Whenever you are using touch typing software, what you need to do? First, hardware. In hardware, what you need? The keyboard, mouse, and speaker. Okay, you need a keyboard for typing, a mouse, and a speaker. Is clear? Next, operating system software. In software, what you need? Yes, one window. Any window you can use XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, any one of at least one window you need. Okay. Application software. Which type of application software we are learning here? Rapid typing software. Is clear? Is clear, beta? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are learning about rapid typing software. So you can see this is a rapid typing software. Whenever we are going to do work with rapid typing software, we are learning here how to type. So there are the lessons for a different types of user. Maybe a child can also learn, maybe an adult can also learn here. So from where you want to start? If you know a little bit about the typing, you can start from a intermediate lecture, experience lecture, okay? So there are different categories to learn. See here, this is category. Introduction, beginner, experience, advanced, testing. So these are the categories, different types of learning typing. Okay, beginner is for those who are not aware about a keyboard also. Okay, so if you have some experience, after that you can use experience, advanced, and testing. So these are the learning. Is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Okay. Now next is a starting rapid typing software. How you can start rapid typing software? Just go on a start menu, or either you can do by a search bar option. Click here, write rapid typing software, or either you can go on a start menu, all programs. Okay, inside all programs you will get, or either you can start from a desktop. There is a icon, shortcut icon, you can see. Just click here and start your software. Is clear, everyone? How to start rapid typing software? Is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Any doubt? No? Okay, beta. Next see, this is a window. What about a window? So in this window, what options we are getting? The components of a rapid typing software. Okay, so these options which we are getting in this window is known as a components of rapid typing software. So first one is a title bar. Everyone is aware about a title bar. We show the name of the application. Is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, this is a student statics. Okay. Toolbar. This is a status bar which show about a current status. Put your finger in the base position FJ. So it's telling about you have to put finger on a F. So it's a status bar, okay, which show about a current status. Where are you? Is clear? This is a speaker volume. Okay, this is a minimum maximize button. These are the options. Option button. This is a current lesson timing. How much time you will take? Okay. This is a lesson. So in each category there are different lessons. Just like in introduction there are the different lesson 1, lesson 2. Okay, so see basics lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. In shift keys lesson there are lessons, digit keys lessons, numeric pad lessons. So there are different types of lessons. Okay, choose lesson also. Is clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is a keyboard. It's a virtual keyboard. You can't touch that. It's not physical. So it's called a virtual keyboard. Is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a text area. You are not writing here, but you are using text area, means whenever you are pressing a key, just like F key. So you can see this finger is a green. So you have to press by this finger. Okay. So it's telling which finger you have to use for pressing the key. So here you have to use a F finger. Okay. This finger for pressing F. So this is your text area. Is clear? Any doubt beta till here? Any one of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now see how to type, just like I pressed F. Okay. Now I have to press space bar. From which finger we have to press? By the left hand thumb. You can see that is a green color. See. So you have to press by this. Okay. Now next key J you have to press by this finger. So press J. Now again space bar you have to press by this thumb. Now D you have to press by this finger. Okay. Now again space. Now again K you have to press by this finger. You can see here. So when you are seeing and you are doing practice 1, 2, 3, 4, there are many lessons. And after that, you will learn about the keys, where the key and which finger you have to press for which key. Okay. So this type you can learn the rapid typing. Is clear everyone? How to learn rapid typing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone who have doubt between this rapid typing software?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now last thing that is in this chapter about some shortcut keys, measurement speeds of your lesson. Just like you want to measure how how many letters or characters you are pressing in a per minute. So you can measure that also. Okay. See how you can measure. See beta here. So this is a your total how many keystrokes you press, speed, WPM. WPM is word per minute. Okay. CPM is character per minute. WPM is word per minute. And KPM is keystroke per minute. Okay. Is clear everyone? The shortcut keys of these CPM, WPM and KPM.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So through that you can measure. Here you are seeing that word per minute. How many words you press per minute. You can see here 36. Okay. Now see if you want to measure in a different like in a CPM. So choose CPM character per minute. Okay. You can see 71 character you pressed per minute. Okay. So you can check here. Again if you want to see keystroke per minute. Okay. So these are the speed. You can see speed per W per PM, speed CPM, speed KPM. Is clear everyone? Any doubt,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
like this, you can measure your speed. Any one of you have a doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you want to see the accuracy, word per minute, just like 71 words you press per minute, but how many are the correct and how many are not correct? So you can check your accuracy level from here. Accuracy of words, accuracy of characters, and accuracy of keystrokes. If you want to see the errors, words, error, character, error, keystroke. Okay, so you can see here errors 0. Okay, clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
there's no error. It means to say if you want to see accuracy, you can check accuracy 100%. Is clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So like this, you can check your also typing. Are you doing properly or not? Okay. Any doubt, beta? Still here?
No.
No, ma'am.
No one have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, just go on that main chapter. And you can also create your user ID. You can choose from here. See, okay. Create new account. For new student, you can create your own account. Okay. If you are existing student, you can choose from here. Okay. So on one software, you can create a different account for just like your siblings, brothers, sisters. Okay. You want to create a different account from both of you on one software. So you can create your account here. Is clear? Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see next. Everyone open your book, page number 162. Everyone open, beta?
162.
Yes.
Ma'am, opened.
Okay, so there is an activity, John. Everyone can see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I want to ask that there are two PDFs of the book or only single one?
What are you asking? 2 periods?
Ma'am, I have asked you for a PDF of book later before, and then you have given me the PDF. And in this, I do not find the page number 162. It is only 3 units are there that which are come in the exam.
Beta, actually, this is in a 162 in my old book. In new book, that page number can be different.
Ma'am, it is 162 only.
Okay. So which book you are following, beta?
Ma'am, that which you have given that in my WhatsApp, that vocal lab.
You are following, okay, that PDF book. Beta, you
Yes,
not
ma'am.
purchased. Why you
I
not
have not
purchased?
purchased. Yes, ma'am. I am following
Beta,
that
you
PDF book.
should.
In that PDF book, ma'am, there are only 3 chapters in that.
Beta, that I sent to all of you in a corona time when you are not able to purchase at the starting of a class in a April session. Okay, so first 3 units are present there, but now you have to purchase beta for your exam.
Okay, ma'am. So I will purchase. I think that it contains the whole chapters.
No, beta, only 3 chapters are there. Okay, now you have to purchase for book exercise also. Beta, how will you do? Okay, so you
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
if you will read from mobile, it can affect your eyes. So please take a hard copy and read that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone clear, beta? This is a activity on page number 162. You have to go through with this activity. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes.
will do this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, anyone have doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next we are going